Guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can enable eco or speed mode in the coffee maker BEKO CaffeeExperto. So in the first step we have to turn off the appliance. On the turn it off appliance, hold the power button for 5 seconds. As you can see, okay, you didn't see, but the power button blinking, and now you have to, once again, you have to choose if you want to make the eco mode. If you want to switch your appliance to the eco mode, you have to click on the pre-ground coffee. If you want to speed mode, 1 bean coffee, and default 2 bean coffee. So now I'm selected the speed mode. If you want to make it in the eco mode, just hold the button and tap on the pre-ground coffee. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment. Thank you, bye.